Hi, I'm Brianne Ramsey, founder and CEO of RMCC. My unique background in strategically planning the expansion of cannabis businesses, compliance, and seed-to-sale technology provides a fresh perspective for every type of operation across the supply chain. I am known for taking on the most challenging cannabis audits and large-scale seed-to-sale technology migrations with implementations. I am also highly skilled in tech crisis support. My career background is teaching and supporting clients with cannabis operations, compliance, and inventory control needs. This is unique to the cannabis industry. After years of managing multiple facilities and departments at one of the largest Colorado vertically integrated cannabis businesses, since the inception of cannabis legalization, I understand firsthand the challenges that cannabis operators face when managing a compliant business. I am passionate about compliant cannabis and started Rocky Mountain Cannabis Consulting as a way to support a sustainable cannabis community.
Hi, I'm Debbie SPRANZA, Chief Learning Officer and a Certified Professional in Talent and Development. I support the in-person and individualized training the team provides Rocky Mountain Cannabis Consulting's partners and clients. As a CPTD, I bring over 15 years of experience with adult learning theory, analytical skills, and compliance training and regulations. I was formerly the Vice President of Learning Architecture and Finance, and I left in early 2019 to turn my attention to matching my love of learning and design with my passion for supporting the cannabis community's growing knowledge with practical application. I build customized training programs and learning strategies for RMCC's partners and clients in order to help our cannabis community thrive.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Kincaid, Chief Compliance Officer. I'm responsible for overseeing nationwide regulatory compliance for Rocky Mountain Cannabis Consulting. My activities include, among others, ensuring supply chain compliance with all laws, monitoring rules and regulations, providing advice and guidance in structuring of new products, building compliance strategies, and supporting relationships. I bring nearly a decade of federal banking compliance and technical writing experience. Clients will notice we are able to provide them with more timely updates to RMCC's Source of Truth guides, training, and our monthly compliance digest. I know that building a qualified and knowledgeable compliance team that can stay informed and communicate changes poses significant challenges. I build scalable, reproducible sources of truth infrastructure to drive RMCC and our clients in the fight to stay informed.
Hi, I'm Leah Lawrence, Compliance Communications Specialist for Rocky Mountain Cannabis Consulting. You may recognize me from our webinars and our podcast, TBD with RMCC. I've advocated for the cannabis plant for over 15 years after personally experiencing the many medical benefits the plant provides. I bring more than a decade of retail and e-commerce management experience to RMCC. My extensive knowledge provides distribution and supply chain management efficiencies with key performance indicator analysis to our clients. I began my cannabis career starting in entry-level positions such as bud tending and trimming to ultimately managing a retail dispensary for Medicine Man in Denver, Colorado. As the face of RMCC, I dedicate my boundless energy to offer knowledge and support to the cannabis community I so passionately love.
Hi, I'm Rose Moberly, Compliance Specialist. I'm a passionate cannabis advocate inspired by my studies in both public policy and environmental sustainability. After having the opportunity to work for 9 years in the legal cannabis industry, my expansive knowledge base comes from working essentially every operation position in the industry. From the trim scene to cultivation, advancing to managing cultivation, production, and onto managing all operations. Eventually, I moved to front-facing operations, such as supervising retail. After a couple years, I went on to fuel my love for learning, and I joined an internal auditing team at one of Colorado's largest dispensaries. I ended up leading that auditing department before I was inspired to develop a testing team based on ever-changing regulations and protocols. The time approached for me to explore my passion for helping others in the industry, and that's when RMCC came along. I am now living on a farm in southern Humboldt, fulfilling my dream of supporting such wonderfully historic communities within the Emerald Triangle.
Hi, I'm TARYN JANIFER, Instructional Designer. I'm responsible for developing, implementing, and maintaining Rocky Mountain Cannabis Consulting's internal and external training programs. I began working as an intern with RMCC in 2019 and joined the team in 2020. Part of RMCC's mission is to partner with cannabis operators who are interested in managing and growing their business by strengthening compliance with their local and state laws. I develop training courses and videos to assist cannabis operators in understanding how to efficiently remain compliant with improved workflows that support their businesses. As a lifelong patient and advocate, partners relate to my engaging e-learning and passion for education.